Good morning children. Welcome back to Science Online class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Children, August 3rd week we will have a midterm test. So August 1st and 2nd week we have a revision. Children, learn all the question and answers properly. So in this class we are going to revise lesson 1, eating habits of animals. Children, now get ready with your science book and pencil. Children, take your science book. Children, take page number 16. Let's revise the book exercise. Roman number 1, objective type questions. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, a dash loves to eat nuts and bananas. Monkey or cow? Answer, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Underline the word nuts and bananas. Second one, human beings eat plants as well as flesh of animals, or thus called herbivores or omnivores. Answer, omnivores. O-M-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, omnivores. Underline the word eats plants as well as flesh of animals. Third one, does have flat and broad front teeth to bite off their food. Carnivores or herbivores? Answer, herbivores. H-E-R-B-I-V-O-R-E-S, herbivores. Underline the word flat and broad front teeth. Fourth one, rabbits, rats and squirrels have sharp dash teeth, back or front? Answer, front. F-R-O-N-T, front teeth, with which they dash their food. Gnaw, G-N-A-W, gnaw. Number 5, in a food chain, a dash is a dash. In a food chain, carnivores is a herbivore. Carnivores, C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, carnivores eats a herbivores. H-E-R-B-I, herbivores, B-O-R-E-S, herbivores. Now true or false. First one, snakes have very sharp tearing teeth. Underline the word snake, sharp tearing teeth. Snakes do not have chewing teeth, isn't it? Yes, so this answer is false. Butterflies have flat grinding teeth with which they suck their food. Answer, false. Underline the word butterflies. Next, flat grinding teeth. They have long thin tube to suck their food. So this answer is false. Number 3, a frog has a long sticky tongue for catching its prey. Answer, true. Underline the word frog, sticky tongue. Fourth one, green plants can make their own food with the help of air and water. Answer, true. Underline the word green plants, own food, air and water. Fifth one, a herbivore is always at the beginning of a food chain. Answer false. Underline the word herbivore, beginning food chain. Plant is always at the beginning of a food chain. That is why this answer is false. Next, choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of these foods do animals eat? Plants, nuts and fruits, flesh of animals, all of these. Answer all of these. Second one. Which of these are carnivores? Lion and tiger, leopard and fox, tiger, all of this. Answer all of this. Third one. Which of these animals chew the cud? Bear and ostrich, lion and goat, sheep and giraffe, all of this. Answer sheep and giraffe. Take page number 17. Question number 4. Which of these animals have strong jaws and short pointed teeth? Underline the word strong jaws, short pointed teeth. Tiger and lion, fox and leopard, cow and buffalo, both A and B. Answer tiger and lion, fox and leopard. Answer both A and B. Fifth one. Which of these animals laps up milk using its tongue? Tiger, cow, dog, lion. Answer dog. Underline the word laps up milk, tongue. Sixth one. When a frog catches an insect, which part of its body does it stick out? Long tail, teeth, long neck, sticky tongue. Answer sticky tongue. Underline the word frog catches an insect, which part of its body does it stick out? Stick out, underline. Next, seventh one. Which of these is always at the beginning of a food chain? Underline the word beginning of a food chain. Plant, animals, omnivores, none of these. Answer plant. Eighth one. In a food chain, which of the following is food for a snake? Underline the word food chain, food for a snake. Grass, frog, tiger, lion. Answer frog. Very short answer type questions. Give one word for the following. First one. Animals that eat only plants as food. Underline the word only plants. Answer herbivores. H-E-R-B-I-V-O-R-E-S, herbivores. Second one. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals. Underline the word flesh of other animals. Answer carnivores. C-A-R-N-I-V-O-R-E-S, carnivores. Third one. Animals that eat plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Underline the word plants as well as the flesh of other animals. Omnivores. O-M-N-I, O-M-N-I, omnivores, V-O-R-E-S, omnivores. Fourth one. The process in which the animal swallows its food once and later brings it back into its mouth and keeps chewing. Underline the word swallows its food, bring it back into its mouth, chewing. Answer chewing the cud. C-H-E-W-I-N-G, chewing, the T-H-E, the cud, C-U-D, cud. Fifth one. A chain in which plants are eaten by animals and then animals are eaten by other animals. Underline the word chain. Plants are eaten by animals, animals are eaten by other animals. Answer is food chain. F-O-O-D, food chain, C-H-A-I-N, chain. Next, give two examples for each of the following. First one, omnivores. Example, crow, bear. C-R-O-W, crow. Bear, B-E-A-R, ear. Bear. Next, second one, animals that gnaw. Rabbits, rats. R-A-B-B-I-T-S, rabbits, rats. R-A-T-S, rats. Third one, animals that chew the cud. Cow, goat. C-O-W, cow, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. Animals that suck liquid food with the help of a tube. Answer B, butterfly. B-E-E, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly. Thank you, children.
Midterm test portion. Lesson 1. Eating habits of animals. Lesson 2. Keeping safe. Book and booklet. Thank you.